ng tao. Life tayo sa loob, di ba?
Yes.
Magkakaila ko sa nanay ko para sa ito.
Oh wow! Beautiful message right there, Direk. We can't wait to see the film and actually for you to be reunited with your mom inside. Please enjoy and congratulations. Maraming salamat. Ladies and gentlemen, Direk Dan Villegas. This is it.
Salamat po sa pagpunta niyo for braving the holiday traffic. Thank you very much for coming. Sana po magustuhan niyo. Good evening.
Good evening. Thank you so much. Here.
Magandang gabi po.
Uninvited po, nakakalimutan. Showing po sa 25. And thank you po for everyone for coming.
And thank you so much for being here. Okay, we just can't wait to see the film already. Not just because of the traffic, no, nasa na-mention mo. We're gonna be painting the town, the whole world red tonight. Ano bang mga dapat namin i-expect?
Maraming dugo.
Siyempre, yung characters namin, yung mga characters at yung roles namin ni Gio dito, na napakabait sa pelikulang to. Sana ma-expect at mapanoorin niyo po.
Well, of course, I'm maker, so I mentor, and we expect, above standard, the best of the best.
Salamat po. Dito kayo.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much. Well, finally, we are here. Okay, nakita ko grabe yung emotions mo, pare. Okay, Rem, ano ba ang nangibabaw na emosyon?
Siyempre, hindi ko nakakalap. This is my first time na nakikita sa
Premiere night.
Kaya kabado ko pa eh. Thank you po!
Well, JM, I just have to tell you this is your first time, pero napakaswerte mo because this is the biggest premiere night ever in the history of Philippine cinema. Alright, how about you, brother?
Ako, I'm just taking it all in. Sobrang napaka-sarap ng experience and ayokong may makalimutan. So lahat inaalala ko.
Naalala natin lang. Okay, get all the moments right in. Ang sarap ng sigawan, lalong-lalo na it's on the stage. We got Elijah and Gabby, whom we will be talking right here on the stage just a bit. Grabe talaga ang lahat nila. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much.
Yes, and bro, of course, we have to ask this, no? Ano ba ang nangibabaw na emosyon ngayon? I'm sure you guys are excited. Gaano ka excited ngayon?
Sobra yung excitement ko na pinakabahan ako to the point na kasi hindi namin nakikita. So, kumbaga, para sa amin, uusay na lang ang sarili namin dito.
Wow!
Wow! Character lahat. Kumbaga, pero for sure, para sa inyo to.
Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, abangan po natin these fine gentlemen enjoying our show for the evening. Maraming
Thank you
salamat.
very much.
Brother, please.
Kahit alam ko holiday season na, salamat po spending your night with us.
Hello po, thank you so much for joining us tonight. Hello to our family and friends who are in the audience.
Daming nakaabang sa lahat ng mga fans nyo. Halos nandito na. Even dito sa Cinema 4 as well. We'll be having our world premiere right here, Cinema 3. Pero we are just so excited para sa matinding pelikula. No, I can see your smiles. Grabe yung effort, yung bago na ibinigay dito. And we have to say, this is a masterpiece which everyone is part of. No? Maraming salamat. And we'll be seeing more of them later on. Maraming salamat, Gabby. Okay? And of course, Elijah Canlas. Elijah, thank you. Maraming salamat. Pero napakasarap sa feeling kasi na mapanood yung mga di-kalibreng artista sa isang pelikula. Gaano po ba kayo ka-excited?
Oh, I'm so excited and I'm super honored na to be part of this beautiful story. So, maraming salamat to Mentor, of course, Productions, and of course to the team. We love you.
We love you, Ate V. This film talks about a mother's love.
Oh, yes.
Diba? Kayo po, as a mom, what can you do for love?
Para sa mga anak ko.
Para sa
Anything. Anything and everything. Huwag niyong kakartiin ang mga anak ko.
Ayan na!
Yan.
Ayan na. Sakto-sakto.
Yes.
Painted the town red with that color. Maraming salamat po. And we'll see you in just a bit.
Yes. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
to everyone.
Alright.
Thank you.
The very beautiful mix. Lord of Leon. Thank you. Okay, you again after a couple. Brother. Yeah. Yes, we saw each other like 2 days ago for a Christmas party. Was it 2 days ago? Yes, just 2 days ago. But 2 days ago, bago ang Pasko, and also for uninvited showing in Cinemas Nationwide. Pero ngayon, world premiere of Uninvited. How are you right now?
Good, I'm good, and I hope everybody here is really raring to see this movie na talagang pinaghirapan ng lahat, lalo-lalo na nila Miss Vilma Santos and Aga Mulat and the team na kasi sila mga namumunat, mga lead stars na nandito.
Yes, with that, Sir Tirso, I'm sure everyone is so excited to watch the film already. Would you please invite everyone to watch Uninvited? Go ahead, sir.
Please spread it all over town. Uninvited, uncut, rated 16. Panoorin niyo po, it's really an exciting movie.
It is. Maraming salamat po, Mr. Tirso Cruz III. Maraming salamat po. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Okay? Again and again. Keep it the deal. Eto, minsan mo lang, or actually first time mo lang marinig siguro yung title na yung The Collectors.
Pero natawa.
And before we discuss that, you wanna say hi to everyone watching us?
Yes, good evening po sa inyong lahat. I'm so happy to see everyone. Maraming salamat. Alam po natin, Pasko na bukas, Christmas Eve na bukas. But thank you so much for spending your time with us. Sobrang excited kami na makita ninyo ang pelikula.
At sobrang excited na kami mamanood ito. Diba? Going back to that title that I have given you right now, The Collector. Siyempre, every single year, namumulekta siya ng awards eh. Left and right. Ganong katindi. Ganong kagaling ang isang nag-industry. In this film, ano bang mga pwede namin i-expect, especially coming from Nicole?
I guess Nicole her character is very different from the ones that I've done before. So, and I always say this, kasi lagi ko naman sinusubok baguhin, yung atake ko sa mga characters ko. But this time around, sobrang iba talaga siya. Kasi, lagi ko sinasabi before, my characters were always very simple, parang mabait na anak. Kaya this time, medyo suplado ko.
We're Lady in
Yeah,
Red right now.
very different naman. So I'm very excited for everyone to see that kasi this is the first time I'm gonna be doing that on screen.
Oh, well, we're so happy and excited na panood ang character mo, and please enjoy the night. Lady in Red, you're gonna be painting the town red, alright? Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Nadine Lustre, thank you. Remember that title when she gets an award.
Thank you po sa inyo lahat. First, I'm just happy to be part of the 50th Manila Film Festival. And also, I want to thank you
Thank you so much.
for being here inside the movie house. I know we're streaming live, I think.
Yes.
So I know my family and my good friends are inside now. And all the fans were waiting for us. And we're excited to see the film.
I remember vividly, Suraga, a couple of months ago, nasabi mo kasi na hindi na ako makatulog sana December 23 or 25 na, and now here we are. Ano ba ang nangingibabaw sa puso mo? Ano ba tumatakbo sa isipan niyo?
But more than that, I'm proud of the work we've done. Proud of our movie. Again, I'm excited because we haven't seen it yet. The first time namin mapapanood kasama ng puli yung lahat ang pelikula namin Uninvited. So I'm excited and super
Eto na,
Salamat.
hindi na talaga kami makapaghintay sa pagsisimula ng pelikula na panabago natin, Mr. Aga Mula. We're gonna be seeing more of him in just a bit. But now, we are looking at the golden carpet. Everyone invite you guys to please all rise and kneel before the star for all seasons. We got Miss Vilma Santos. To the star for all seasons. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming the one and only Miss Vilma Santos. Hi, Miss Vilma. Everyone is here. Everyone loves you. Everyone is here to support you. Before anything else, gusto mo na
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Lahat po ng kasama namin itong gabi nito sa premiere night ng Uninvited. And nagagalak po ang buong family ng Uninvited na ito na yung aming premiere night. And we all invite you We will thrill your hearts this coming December 25 para po sa pelikula po namin Uninvited. Please do watch. We are inviting you to watch Uninvited, and this is part of the golden anniversary of Metro Manila Film Festival. To all of you, we love you! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! This is one gift na hindi na dapat palampasin. Ito na yun, all the biggest stars in one film just for you guys. Okay, we have our star for all seasons right here on the stage. May we call in Direk Dan to please join us? Right here together with the president, Mr. Lustre, an award-winning actor, of course, we got Sonarno Mula, all the cast, Gio, Zolo. Right now, may we invite the cast for a quick photo op of the powerhouse cast of Uninvited.
Pasuyo lang po.
Patras na lang po, sir.
Patras po, patras po. Patras lang po.
Sige na po.
Again, to all the people who are here, may we request everyone who has their tickets already secured to please go inside the cinemas because
Coming premiere night, December 25, Uninvited. We are inviting you. Please do watch. See you December 25. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, December 25.